We're still seeing a little bit of some muggier conditions outside right now, air-wise. Still seeing that muggy to even sticky range, especially in the Southern Valley and along the Great Smoky Mountains, but we're starting to see that dry and comfortable air begin to filter in as we head on into the start of the new work week. A look from our Embassy Suites tower camera, you could barely even see the sun sphere just a few hours ago when those storms were here. Now it is dry, it is nice, but again, still sitting on that muggier end. Temperatures right now have cooled down towards the low 70s, upper 60s. Right now sitting at 71 here in Knoxville, 70 in Maryville, 70 in Gatlinburg, 64 in Middlesboro, 65 in Crossville, 73 in Athens, and 72 in Tellico Plains. A look ahead over the next 3 days. If you're a fan of the summer, well, you're going to be a fan of this forecast. We're expecting to see highs rising closer towards the mid-80s, which is right close to average for this time of year. Usually by the middle of June, we're seeing close to 85, and by Wednesday, we'll be warming up to 86, and we're expecting to stay dry for the next 3 days with mostly sunny skies. The catch, though, is our comfort cast. Our comfort cast is going to be increasing over the next couple of days. I'll get to that in just a moment. The good news about Monday and Tuesday, though, is our comfort cast is going to be on the lower end, which just means our humidity levels will be on the lower end, which means it's going to be nice outside, especially because it will be a few degrees below average. And tomorrow we expect to see some breezier conditions. Now we do expect to see wind gusts getting up to 16 miles an hour here in Knoxville around 3 o'clock, 17 miles an hour in Maryville, 16 in Maynardville, 20 in Crossville, 18 in Tellico Plains, and 17 in Gatlinburg. But as I mentioned, our comfort cast is not going to remain in this comfortable and dry range for long. As we move on into Wednesday, we rise close to that muggy range, and eventually we're going to rise towards that sticky range. And this information is going to come in handy because as we move towards the end of the week, going on into the weekend, we expect to see temperatures rising towards the low 90s. And with those humidity values on the sticky, muggy, even tropical end, that's going to make outside feel close to the mid-90s, which is very, very warm, which is why it is important that you stay hydrated throughout this week. You're applying sunscreen, you're practicing those safe summer tips, trying to remain under some cool air for as long as possible. We are expecting to be very hot and humid for Friday and Saturday, keeping an eye towards the end of next weekend as an isolated chance for rain does finally arrive after a week of hot temperatures. We'll continue to keep you updated, but enjoy tomorrow and Tuesday. Ella?